In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix KMode Exception Not Handled in Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a right click at the start button, and here we have to select Device Manager to open the Device Manager window. Then from here, we need to simply locate your network adapters and then locate your network adapter. You have to make a right click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, and you have to close this and then close the remaining window. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. This time you need to type msconfig. Okay, it's msconfig and click on OK. Now the system configuration window will appear. Click on the boot tab and click on save boot and then the network. Okay. Now once done, click on apply and click on yes and click on OK. And you have to click on the restart button. After you have restarted, you will start in a safe mode. And then after that, you have to open again the run window by pressing the Windows key and letter R button together. Here you need to type again msconfig. Click on OK. And then click on the services tab. Now here you just need to simply look for the ELAN services, this one. Make sure to uncheck it. If this is checked, the ELAN services, make sure to uncheck the ELAN services. Click on apply and click on OK. And then you have to click on the restart button. But let me just show you without the exit, without a restart, because I'm still going to show you the next step that we need to apply. Press Windows key and letter R button together, type msconfig. Hit enter or click OK. Click on the boot tab and then uncheck this option save boot. Click on apply, click on yes and click on OK and click on the restart button, and that's it. That's how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.